If you want to cancel your Grammarly subscription quickly and make sure auto-renewal is turned off, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps step by step so you can do it safely and without confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log into the Grammarly account that has the active subscription you want to manage. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation bar. Here, you'll need to click either the Account tab or the Admin Panel tab, depending on how your Grammarly dashboard is set up. This is where Grammarly keeps the billing and subscription controls, so don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from what you expected. Next, inside the secondary menu, click on Subscription. This will open the section where you can view your plan details and account billing options. Once you're on the subscription page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Grammarly places the cancellation option near the end of the page, so make sure you go all the way down and don't miss it. At the bottom, you should see a cancel subscription link. Click that link to begin the cancellation process. Grammarly will likely show you a confirmation flow to make sure you really want to stop the subscription. Go through the final prompts carefully, and when you see the option that says yes, continue, click it to confirm. This final step is important because it ensures the auto-renewal is officially turned off and your subscription won't renew again automatically. After that, your Grammarly cancellation should be complete. You can always double-check your account details to confirm the plan status has changed. And that's it. You have now learned how to cancel your Grammarly subscription in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial.